Hey guys, got sent an EcoZoom rocket stove from EcoZoom and wanted to thank them for that. Paid nothing for the review. Let me show you how this works. You just stuff the inside full of any type of biomatter, paper, sticks, twigs, pine cones, really anything.
Yeah.
At the bottom there's also a damper flow hole for controlling the temperature. Light it up, and you'll see from the top, get a nice good clean burn going. You just add in more sticks as necessary. Also has a little grate there in the front for holding up longer sticks. Really efficient. Cook anything you like on it. This thing gets pretty hot too. Really easy to control the temperature. Has 3 pegs at the top so it raises up the pan or pot. Good circulation. Really no complaints. It just sucks the air right up, just like a rocket stove does. You can even feed it from the top if you like. And in the rain it performed really well. No complaints. Kept the fire going. Really impressed with this thing. I can see using this in the future. I'm definitely going to be taking it camping with me. I 100% support this. 100%. Again, you can use the bottom part here, the damper, to adjust the temperature. Look at that good clean burn. You can just sit around this and burn wood. It doesn't even have to be used for cooking. Now, it is pretty heavy, but this is meant for camping, and this is something that's going to last you your lifetime with proper care. Really cool, really efficient. Again, I would give this 5 stars. It's an A++. Really like this thing. They also make about 3 other models, so check them out in the description below. There's probably a model for you. There's a smaller one, there's a bigger one. Really cool, and just such an awesome burn. So to wrap this up, highly recommended. Your money will not be going to waste, and you will have this for a long time. Again, thanks to EcoZoom Stoves for sending this out. Love it, love it, love it. Check them out in the description below. Thanks, guys.